ComfyUI is a free open-source tool that turns your own computer into an AI image studio. In this guide, you will check the requirements, install ComfyUI on Windows or Mac, and generate your very first image. Let's get started.
ComfyUI works like a circuit board for AI images. Each box, called a node, does one job, like loading a model or writing a prompt. Wires connect them into a workflow, so you control every single step.
It runs any open model, from SD 1.5 to SDXL and Flux, and it supports over 5,000 community extensions. It is the most flexible way to generate AI images on your own hardware.
The requirements are simple. An NVIDIA graphics card is recommended, with at least 4 GB of VRAM. SDXL wants about 8, and Flux around 12. 16 GB of RAM and 20 GB of free disk space keep things comfortable.
ComfyUI runs on Windows 10 or 11 and on Macs with M1 or newer chips. No graphics card? Use CPU mode or Comfy Cloud.
Start at the official site, comfy.org. In the top right, click Download ComfyUI. Choose Download for Windows or Download for Mac. Only use the official website.
Run the installer. Windows may ask you to confirm, so click More Info, then Run anyway. Follow the wizard, pick where ComfyUI and your models will live, and click Install. When it finishes, you will see the ComfyUI icon on your desktop.
On Mac, open the downloaded disk image and drag ComfyUI into your Applications folder. If macOS shows a security warning, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and click Open Anyway. The Setup wizard takes care of the rest.
Prefer no installer? Grab the Windows Portable build from GitHub. It is one archive with Python and PyTorch included. Extract it with 7-zip, and you will see the ComfyUI folder, a bundled Python, and the launcher scripts. Double-click Run NVIDIA GPU.bat. That is the portable way.
Launch ComfyUI and a console window opens. Wait for the line. To see the GUI, go to 127.0.0.1:8188. Your browser opens the ComfyUI canvas automatically. Keep this window open while you work.
This is the canvas. On the left, you will find templates, models, and manager. The default workflow already has everything you need. Load checkpoint picks your model. The green and red prompt nodes hold your text. KSamper sets the steps and CFG, and Save Image shows the result.
When you are ready, click QPrompt or press Ctrl+Enter.
ComfyUI needs at least one model file. Head to a site like Civitai, filter by checkpoint, and download a safe tensors file. Put it in the Models, Checkpoints folder. Back in ComfyUI, open the Load Checkpoint dropdown and select your model. Models are big, usually 2 to 7 GB.
Time for the first image. In the green node, type a positive prompt, like a cute cat astronaut on the moon. In the red node, add what you don't want, like blurry or low quality. Click QPrompt, and your image appears in Save Image. It works.
Want more power? Open the Manager tab. Search for a custom node pack like Ultimate SD Upscale and click Install. That is it. Over 5,000 extensions are one click away without ever leaving ComfyUI.
2 errors stop most beginners. First, CUDA out of memory. Your GPU ran out of VRAM, so lower the resolution, set batch size to 1, or launch with low VRAM mode. Second, the page won't open because port 8188 is already in use.
Close the other ComfyUI window or start it with a different port. And always check that your model file is inside Models, Checkpoints.
That is the whole loop. 1. Download ComfyUI. 2. Install it. 3. Generate. It is free, open source, and runs completely on your machine. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy generating!